The read code cannot issue a direction which has the effect of conferring jurisdiction upon an authority which is not vested in it by law, nor can issue a direction so as to deny exercise of jurisdiction by an authority which is so vested in it by law. It is for the legislature to create forum, and one such forums have been constituted. The writ court would ordinarily not issue a direction permitting a different course. It appears that learned additional advocate general appearing for the state of Uttar Pradesh, being conscious of such statutory scheme, has taken the stand before us that a direction could have been issued by the writ code only to the registrar for holding election under section 25 into bracket 2 of the act, and such a direction could not have been issued to the authorized controller for this purpose. It is otherwise interesting to note that in the present case, the authorized controller has further delegated its power and has directed the sub-divisional magistrate to conduct election, which is even otherwise not permissible in law. It is further apparent that competent authorities under the Act 1860 have not yet resolved the issue of membership, nor the civil court has ruled on it, and therefore to permit the subdivisional magistrate as delegate of the authorized controller to publish election program would amount to election being rendered a force. Para. At this stage, I may also draw distinction between the authorized controller appointed under the Act of 1973 and the authorized controller appointed in respect of educational institution recognized under the provisions of the UP Intermediate Education Act 1921. Section 16C of the Act of 1921 provide for framing of a scheme of administration to manage an institution. Section 16D provide that such scheme shall not be inconsistent with third schedule, which provide for procedure for constituting the committee of management as per scheme of administration by holding periodical election. The committee of management of the institution is a distinct body. The scheme of administration also contains a provisional that in case elections are not held within time, the authorized controller shall be appointed who shall get the election held to constitute the committee of management of the institution. There is a distinction between an educational institution recognized under the Act of 1921 as well as an educational institution affiliated to an university incorporated under the Act of 1973. In respect of the educational institution recognized under the Act of 1921, specific power vests by virtue of scheme of administration in the authorized controller to conduct election, and that is why directions are issued by writ court to the authorized controller to hold election. The situation is different in respect of an educational institution affiliated to an university incorporated under the Act of 1973. The Act of 1973 does not provide for a separate scheme of administration, nor any such scheme has been placed on record confirming jurisdiction upon the authorized controller to hold election of society for managing the educational institution. Para. Therefore, no provision exists permitting the authorized controller to conduct election to constitute managing committee. The body charged with the responsibility to manage such educational institution is the society registered under the Act of 1816, and the exclusive provision to regulate it so far as its valid constitution is concerned vests in the authority constituted under the Act of 1816. The university incorporated under the Act of 1973 can always dispute any officer or the authorized controller to remain present at the time of holding of election so as to be satisfied about validity of election for the purposes of exercising jurisdiction under section 2 into bracket 13 of the Act of 1973. But there exists no jurisdiction with the authorized controller to conduct election of society to the exclusion of jurisdiction of registrar under section 25 of the Act of 1860.